The 6 wealthiest persons in Jamaica. It's by no coincidence that Jamaica is in the spotlight around the world. I mean, Jamaica produced one of the music legends of times, Bob Marley, and produced the fastest man that the world has ever had, Usain Bolt. But one thing many people don't realize is that Jamaica also has some of the wealthiest persons thanks to the Jamaican brand. We decided to explore who these are and their net worth. The findings will blow your mind. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe that you may not miss out on any of our awesome videos. Without any further ado, let's see the 6 wealthiest persons in Jamaica. The first wealthiest person in Jamaica is Michael Lee Chin. Michael Lee Chin was born on the 3rd of January 1951 in Port Antonio, Jamaica, to Aston Lee and Hyacinth Gloria Chen. He attended the local high school, Titchfield High, between 1962 and 1969. Lee Chin's first job was working as part of the landscaping team at the Frenchman's Cove Hotel in 1965. In 1970 he got a scholarship from the Jamaican government to study in Canada for a degree in civil engineering. After graduation, he returned and briefly worked for the Jamaican government, but later decided to return to Canada. While working at one of his previous jobs as a regional manager at Regal Capital Planners in 1983, he managed to get a loan of Canadian $500,000, which he used to purchase a stake in Mackenzie Financial Group. In 1987, his investment was worth Canadian $3.5 million. With his intellectual framework, he invested in National Commercial Bank, which made him fortune. Michael Lee Chin's net worth as of 2020 is US $2.6 billion, making him the wealthiest person in Jamaica. His favorite tips to entrepreneurs and investors are to make decisions based on a sound intellectual framework and have the ability to control emotions. 2. Gordon Butch Stewart. Gordon Butch Stewart, before his passing on the 4th of January 2021, was worth US $1 billion. Butch Stewart, is better known, was born the 6th of July 1941 in Kingston, Jamaica. His entrepreneurial spirit started at a very young age. At age 12, he bought a small canoe he used to catch fish and sell them to the local hotels. He then bought a larger boat which he operated until age 17. Stewart became a great salesman and a great businessman Jamaica has ever had. He was the chairman of Sandals International, the Jamaica Observer, and the companies under the Appliance Traders umbrella. 3. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt was born on the 21st of August 1986 to Will Leslie and Jennifer Bolt in Sherwood Content, Jamaica. While attending Wildensia Primary, he began showing his sprinting potential while competing at the parish's annual National Primary School Meet. By age 12, Bolt had become the fastest runner in 100 meters distance at his school. His breakthrough came when he won his first annual high school championships medal in 2001. After competing in different competitions and winning medals in different categories, Usain's worldwide fame came during Beijing Olympics, where he clocked 9.69 seconds. Though Tyson Gay in 2009 and Rio Blake in 2012 equaled Bolt's 9.69 seconds from Beijing, Bolt's 9.58 seconds at the 2009 World Championships, and 9.63 seconds at the London 2012 Olympics, and remains untouched by any runner in any official competition to date. Bolt's net worth is US $90 million thanks to his endorsements and sponsorships. 4. Rita Marley. Rita Marley holds the number 4 spot with a net worth of US $50 million. Alfarita Constancia Rita Marley was born on the 25th of July 1946 in Santiago de Cuba, to Leroy Anderson and Cynthia Kerr-Jarrett, and grew up in the upper level of Beechwood Avenue, located in Kingston, Jamaica. She released her autobiography No Woman No Cry, My Life with Bob Marley in 2004. Rita and Bob Marley fell in love in 1966 after they met because of their love for music. Rita Marley turned Bob Marley's home into a museum after Bob's death. She went ahead and started the Bob Marley Foundation, which assists the less fortunate people in developing countries. 5. Levi Roots. Levi Roots holds the 5th spot on our list and has a net worth of $46 million. Keith Valentine Graham, better known as Levi Roots, was born on the 24th of June 1958 in Clarendon, and he was a friend of Bob Marley. He gained widespread fame after appearing on the UK television programme Dragon's Den, where he gained £50,000 funding for his reggae sauce. His Levi Roots Reggae cookbook was published in 2008. Our number 6 on the list is Paula Kerr-Jarrett Wegman. Paula Kerr-Jarrett Wegman holds the 6th spot on the list and has a net worth of $45 million. She is an attorney and a philanthropist from a wealthy family, who is linked to the rich Kerr-Jarrett's family through marriage. She is involved in the promotion of Montego Bay. She is said to be among the richest women living in Jamaica. They have built over 1,200 homes and a technology park. Her great-grandmother Marion Louise Rees-Bovell ran as an independent candidate in a general election. She was the first Jamaican woman to do that. These are the 6 wealthiest people in Jamaica. If you know others that have not been mentioned, please go ahead and type in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We thank you for checking out our channel. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. Here at Vital Business Matters we post great informative videos every week on topics such as business, finance, entrepreneurship and so much more. To become one of the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. With that said, have a wonderful day.